Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. I know many of us love Indian street foods. That too, Pav Bhaji is an all-time favorite to most of us. Today I'm going to show you all how to make Pav Bhaji in the Instant Pot. It's a super quick and easy recipe. Tastes exactly like how we get it back in India. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you can do it in regular pressure cooker or you can use any multi-cooker. Just a short intro who is hearing about it for first time. Pav Bhaji is a popular Indian street food. It's a spicy mashed vegetable dish served piping hot with a dollop of butter, diced red onion, cilantro and lemon wedges on the side, accompanied by warm buttery pan-toasted rolls. Try this one-pot Pav Bhaji recipe in the pressure cooker and you will not make it any other way again. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make easy Pav Bhaji in the Instant Pot. First, we'll make bhaji, which is mashed vegetable curry. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Select the saute button and select a high setting on the Instant Pot. After a minute, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. To make vegan Pav Bhaji, substitute neutral vegetable oil or vegan butter instead of the regular butter. Once it's hot, add cumin seeds and let it splutter. Add the onion. Saute until the onion turns translucent. It takes about 3 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste. Saute it for 30 seconds. Add tomatoes and salt. Let the tomato get mushy. Add turmeric, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. This is optional. It's not spicy but it gives nice color to the curry. And add Pav Bhaji masala. Give it a mix. This Pav Bhaji masala is easily available in any Indian grocery store. I have also given an Amazon link for it in the description box below. If you need one, please do check it. Let's go ahead and add vegetables. Add bell peppers, potatoes, beets. This will give a nice dark color to the curry. Add peas, carrot and cauliflower. Give it a good mix. Pour in the water. Stir well with a wooden spoon or spatula. Deglaze the pot to avoid the burnt sign. Close the lid and make sure that the vent is in sealing. Cancel the saute mode. Then select the pressure cook or manual setting and set the cooking time for 5 minutes at high pressure. Once the Instant Pot is done cooking, do release the pressure naturally for 5 minutes and then release the remaining pressure. After the pin goes down, open the lid carefully. It smells and looks good. Mash all the veggies with a potato masher or you can use immersion blender. Let's select the saute mode. Cover the pot with glass lid as the curry will start to splatter and saute it for a couple of minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter, kasturi methi, cilantro or coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, Pav Bhaji masala and chili powder if needed. Cancel the saute mode. Add lime juice. Mix it well. Delicious bhaji or mashed vegetable curry is ready. Now let's make a pav, which is nothing but a toasted roll in a butter. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Heat a griddle or heavy skillet over medium heat. Once it's hot, add butter. Sprinkle with a little bit of cilantro. Add a 1 tablespoon of bhaji, mashed veggie masala. This gives nice flavor to the pav. Give it a mix. And now add roll. Toast each side until golden brown. It takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You can use any rolls like potato rolls, savory Hawaiian rolls, dinner rolls or burger buns. Our toasted roll is ready. Serve piping hot bhaji with a dollop of butter, diced red onions, cilantro and lemon wedges on the side, accompanied by warm buttery pan toasted rolls. Enjoy this comfortable and wholesome food for this cold weather. Super yummy pav bhaji is ready and enjoy it hot. Do try this delicious pav bhaji in the Instant Pot. Super easy and quick to make it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.